Explore ChatGPT voice prompt. Hello friends, welcome back to our training video on Chima Dedicated Video channel. In this video, I want to teach you how to use voice prompts on ChatGPT. When I talk about voice prompt, I mean instead of typing, instead of writing, you need to just use your voice to tell ChatGPT what you want, and you're going to see them all lined up for you. This makes it easy for everyone, even those who have a kind of writing deficiency. They can just, with their voice, tell ChatGPT what to do. So let's go on now and you see how exactly it works. If you are new to this channel, time to subscribe and join in what we do here. Let's go on now. Okay, the next thing we're going to do now is to go into our ChatGPT app. I have to click on this. This is the app. So you are here right now. So the next thing you're going to do, you can see this a kind of earpiece or earphone icon. Just click on it. You're going to see what will come out right now, because that's exactly how to go about doing this. This is exactly what I mean. Just look at this. Just this place. Click on it. Now I want to show you something. As you see it's coming up, I'm going to show you something. If you are doing this for the first time, I will tell you what you're going to see. If you have done it before now, what someone who's doing it for the first time will see here will be different from what you're going to see. So but let's exactly see what we're expected to see. Just let's go. So I want to cancel this. Now everything I discussed with the chatbot, you're going to see it here. You know, as he's talking, I was talking and the chatbot was replying me and responding to me. So everything that has gone on is already written down. So you don't worry and ask, be saying, how do I go about it? You can use this to learn languages. If you go on now asking the chatbots, what's the French, conversion or Chinese conversion of these English words, you mention those English words, maybe a number of them, 20 of them or 10 of them, the system is still going to tell you everything. So it's not just like simple questions. You can use this to learn languages. What is this to this? What is that to that? You understand? You can use it to learn grammar. You can use it to learn a lot of things. That's exactly how the system works. So look at it. I want to know the 10 most beautiful cities in the world. Sure, I can help you with that. But do you prefer cities known for their natural beauty or architectural marvels? Okay, I say architectural and not natural beauty. So it's talking to me about Paris, Barcelona, Prague, Florence, Rome, and all that. And I was talking about, started describing each and every one of them. Like Rome is indeed a beautiful city with iconic architecture like the Colosseum and the Vatican. What interests you more about Rome? So you see all of that. So myself, I now talked about the 10 most populated cities in the world. And you list them as Tokyo, Delhi, I think Tokyo, that's Japan, Delhi, that's India, Shanghai, China, Sao Paulo, which should be in Brazil, Mumbai, Beijing, China also, Dhaka, Cairo, Egypt, Mexico City, and Osaka, and all that. So these are the 10 most populated cities in the world. So a lot of information you can find using voice prompts instead of text, instead of typing, instead of asking questions using text. And that's one of the advantages of using AI tool, especially this one called ChatGPT. Very important. Like I told you, can use it to learn languages. You can ask questions, deeper questions, and you have answers right there. So I'm going to encourage you, if you're watching this video for the first time on our channel, we'll do a lot of stuff like this. So I encourage you to subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. You can as well share in your group so that others can benefit. I wish you the best. Thanks for watching.